Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. So the app script code was used to do the required task, which was that if there is any on the row two, if there is any word present, and there are so many other lines in the second row number three. As you can see, there are so many rows in here, which you can see the preview in here as well. So if there is a word like on this one, there is a word at apex, and all the data is below. If any of the line is starting with the hashtag or the apex, we are going to leave it as it is, and if not, then we are going to change this direct to retailer. So this was a task, and there were some single words and double words. We have already tested it, functioning okay. I have delivered this code, and there will be an custom menu on here where you can go and just press this process data. But before that, I just want to make sure that your data is intact and we are not disturbing. So what I'll do, I'll make another sheet, which will be a temporary sheet. I'll paste the data, the original data in here, and now I'll run it. And once I'll get the results, I'll take the results to the sheet, that sheet again, and then we can compare. So, yeah, for the first time when you'll be running it, it will be asking you for the authorizations to change this particular sheet. So the authorization is related to only this particular sheet, not the any other sheet on your drive. So yes, this is your main file. Let me remind you again, and let me show you. So yeah, it's done. It was just, no, okay. So this was the authorization thing. You need to run it again. Okay, done. Boom. So it was less than 3 seconds job. Let me copy the data again and go back to the sheet where we have just pasted the original data, and I'll paste the values here. I'll narrow down the rows and like the formula box, and now here we can check. You will see, yep, it's working fine. Yep. Yes, you have the data, and if you find anything not working properly, or if you find any inappropriate result, please let me know so that I can fix it regarding this file, which is your file. Don't worry about it. If you have anything lost about it, if you feel that okay, no, I want to have my data back again, we always have the option to recover the file on a certain time. So please let me know if you have any other observations. Looking forward for the review. Take care. Bye.